This is Michelle McPherson with Crowd Mountain. We're in Bootcamp Module 3, and now we're going to work on finding long-tail key phrases that we will use to generate post ideas for our sites. So we need to go to Market Samurai and generate those long-tail key phrases, and then I'll show you also how you can get those into your blog quickly and easily and create content around them. I'm in my WordPress administration panel for my example blog, and I've gone here to post categories, and I'm looking at the different categories that I created for this blog. And I've got 6. You should have somewhere around that number. It might be 4, it might be 8. You're okay. And what I want to do is take a look at the least trafficked category first, the category that gets the least amount of SEO traffic in Market Samurai. And that's the first category that I'm going to run this long tail key phrase search on. So I remember from doing my keyword research before, when I selected these categories, that the one that had the least traffic was the maple syrup cleanse. So that's the first keyword that I'm going to put into Market Samurai in this long tail keyword search. So I will create a new project and I'll name it Maple Syrup Cleanse, and I'm going to keep it in English, and I'm going to this time do all countries and territories because I'm just trying to find different keyword permutations. And so the traffic data that I asked for before that was US specific doesn't really matter this time. As long as we're in the right language, then we're doing okay. And then I'm going to run a keyword search, except this time, as opposed to our regular keyword searches, in the phrase length, I'm going to change it to a minimum of 3 words. And that's because this keyword phrase that I'm working with, my lowest trafficked keyword phrase, is a 3-word keyword phrase. So if I were to put in 2, I would end up with results back that say things like maple cleanse, or I could end up with the real generic terms in the niche like juice cleanse. I already know about those. So I'm looking for the really long tail stuff. So I'm changing my phrase length to 3. And that's because my keyword phrase that I'm working here is 3 words long. So you change that to as many words long as your keyword phrase is. And then click the Generate Keywords button. And you'll get the Google CAPTCHA box that'll pop up, and you'll need to type in the confirmation code, and then Market Samurai will return the keywords for you. Now in your workbook for this Module 3, there is a worksheet for you that demonstrates the hierarchy of keywords. So we have a big broad niche, and then we have our main keyword phrase that we picked out, and from down below that we have our category keywords, and down at the very bottom we have our long tail key phrases, and that's what we're looking for now. And what I need to do is to go through these keywords that Market Samurai has returned back for me and delete the ones that do not fit in with being under the maple syrup cleanse category on my blog. So they have to be very specific and related to a maple syrup cleanse. And you need to look for keywords that are very specific to your category keyword. So you're going to delete things that don't have to do with your category keyword or that would potentially go in another section of your blog. So for example, I have maple cleansing diet maple syrup is one of my key phrases here, and that would go under maple syrup cleanse because it's about a maple syrup cleansing diet. That's what that key phrase is. Whereas if we scroll down, we'll find things about master cleanse booklet. And that is related to a maple syrup cleanse, and that's why the Google tool inside Market Samurai returned that to me. However, I've got a category on my blog just for master cleanse posts. So I want to make sure that you delete those things that are not very specific to this category that you're working on first. And I'm going to go through and delete all those, and then I'll come back in just a moment. Having deleted all the key phrases that aren't very specific and would fall under maple syrup cleanse, so they're very much about maple syrup cleanse, I'm left with 25 active keywords. And at this point you need to export your keywords by clicking the export button, and I'm going to save them to my desktop. Now if you're working in a niche like mine where some of the words that make up your keywords are somewhat interchangeable, and I'll give you an example of that: juice cleanse, juice detox, and juice fast. They're in many ways the same thing, but they're just 3 different ways that people say that. So when I look up maple syrup cleanse, I also know, and I can see this too from some of these keyword results, there's fast, flush. I know that sometimes people use the word fast or detox instead of cleanse. So I'm going to do additional searches for maple syrup fast and maple syrup detox to pull in as many long tail key phrases as possible. And I'll give you another example of this. Let's say that you're working in the dog training niche and one of your keywords might be German Shepherd training. A keyword that's used pretty much interchangeably with training in terms of dog training would be obedience. So you might also want to look up German Shepherd obedience. Assuming that you don't have a separate category just for that key phrase, that would be an additional keyword that you can populate your category with. And this helps with the LSI of your site. That's the latent semantic indexing, and that's Google looking for words that are commonly seen together. So in this case, I'm going to guess, because of the way that people talk, and this is just from the keyword research that I've done and then the niche research that I've done, people often use these phrases interchangeably. Now, I am going to anticipate that Google likes to see these different words on pages related to juice cleansing because they are used so often together and interchangeably. So for maple syrup, I'm going to head back over to Market Samurai and do a new keyword, and this time I'm going to do maple syrup detox. And just like before, once I do that, I will delete those key phrases that aren't very specific to falling under maple syrup cleanse or maple syrup detox in the hierarchy of keywords, and then I will export those. Okay, Market Samurai returned 106 keywords, so I'm going to delete those ones that don't fit very specific into this category. And this time I'm left with 35 keywords, so I will export those to my desktop and save them. And then I'll do one more, and this was because I've got 3 words that are used pretty much interchangeably in my niche, being cleanse, detox, and fast. So this time I'm going to run it with maple syrup fast. And this time I've got 134 keywords, so I'm going to delete those ones that aren't very specific to being about maple syrup, fasts, cleanses, or detoxing. In this keyword now I've got 58 left. That's more than I had left for any of my other keywords, so this was particularly productive, and this is why we do this, so that we can find other permutations and other ways of talking about a topic that could potentially be the way that our audience is entering it into the search engines. So now I want you to open up the first file that you saved and put it in the Add Keywords box and paste it, and then open up the second file that you saved and copy it and put it in the Add Keywords box and paste it, and then click Add Keywords. I do this because I like to have everything in one place. It just helps me see everything easier rather than in 3 separate tabs. So that's just a personal preference, and it makes it easier for me. Later on though, we will need to be exporting this information, and rather than have it in 3 separate files, we're going to have it in one file. So that's another reason why we do that. And once you've brought your keywords in, click Analyze Keywords, and then we'll come on over here to our keyword research analyzing screen. Click Analyze again, because some of these keywords were copied over into this tab. This tab doesn't have the data on them, so clicking Analyze Keywords will force Market Samurai to go back into its database and re-pull that information into this screen for you so that you have it all in one place. And if we take a look at our SEO traffic, we can get an idea of the kinds of traffic numbers that we're looking at for these key phrases if we were ranked number 1 in Google for them. And again, these numbers aren't huge, but that's not the point with our long tail key phrases. The point with our long tail key phrases is to build authority to our site, to be talking about things that are very, very, very relevant within our niche, and finally to begin to rank for at least some key phrases so that we're getting some traffic a day. If you've got, 4 pages, 5 pages on your site that get 22 searches a day or hits a day according to Market Samurai in these long tail key phrases, then you've got 100 hits a day, and that's what your original goal was with your main keyword phrase. Now over time, like I said, your authority for your site will build up in the eyes of the search engines, and you will be able to start ranking for your category keyword phrases and your main keyword phrase. But right now we're focusing on the long tail, and the reason that we're doing that is because of latent semantic indexing. We're talking about things that are relevant to our main keyword phrase. It's also because we want to actually have some action on our site at the beginning, as opposed to waiting for our main keyword phrase to rank and just sitting there in the meantime, not making any money, not getting any traffic. So this is a solution to that problem that many people have. Also, when taking a look at some of these numbers, let's scroll down here to some of these lower trafficked keyword phrases. We've got lemon juice maple syrup cleanse. So people are looking for information on a cleanse that involves lemon juice and maple syrup. There are apparently 9 searches per day in Google for that keyword phrase, and Market Samurai estimates that if you were at the #1 position in Google for that keyword phrase, you would get 3 hits a day to your website for that keyword phrase. So, not really a big deal, right? However, when you write posts, you'll be optimizing those posts for the keyword phrase, and in this case, it's lemon juice maple syrup cleanse, and I'll show you how to do that when we actually begin to write a post. But we also have the words maple syrup cleanse in that keyword. We also have the words lemon juice, which, if you remember, was one of our lemon juice cleanse was one of our key phrases, a category keyword phrase that we'll be using on the site. So we're increasing the relevancy of our site. In the meantime, we're also ranking for and including maple syrup cleanse, which is one of our target categories, by using that key phrase on our site. So this is sort of like a stacked process. You start with the low-hanging fruit, and then you move up to the tougher stuff until finally you work with your main keyword phrase. And there is a point where low-hanging fruit can get a little bit low. So one of the things that I like to do is to remove any keyword phrases that have a 0% PBR. So let's take a look at what some of those are. Syrup, fast, maple. Nobody's ever going to enter that into Google in that particular order because it doesn't make sense to normal people. So I'm going to change my phrase to broad to 1%. Now, why have I chosen 1% as opposed to, in the past, I've used, I think 10% when we were doing our analyzing to pick a main keyword? I chose 1% because some of these other key phrases that have a very low PBR, this one actually isn't relevant, but fast, maple syrup, people might enter it in that order, or it might be juice fast, maple syrup is the permutation that they enter in more often. So I do like to not just eliminate everything based on PBR, because it's kind of a wishy-washy if sort of computation. And since this site is all about providing people the information that they need, and also because I believe the number in February of 2008 was that 25% of searches that Google sees every month are brand new keyword phrases, brand new ways that people are entering in words into the search engine, so they're key phrases that Google has never seen before. So because of that, while this might have a PBR of 7%, there are still people who are entering in this particular keyword phrase, and based on the fact that a lot of searches Google's never seen before, over a quarter of searches, I don't care to take the chance of not getting visitors because I'm only wanting to target PBRs that are super duper duper high. So it's just a way to bring in additional traffic and hit that additional low hanging fruit. So I changed my PBR, like I said, to 1. And at that point, I'm ready to export. So I'm going to click the export button at the bottom of Market Samurai and save this as it gives you your main keyword phrase .analysis.csv. So that's a CSV file that you can open in Microsoft Excel, or another program like OpenOffice will do it. And I will actually go through this with one of my other keyword phrases, and if you feel like you understand this process, then you can stop the video now and move on to the next video. And if you feel like you'd like to see a little bit more in action, I'm going to do it for lemon juice cleanse as well. So we'll start out with a new keyword in Market Samurai, and it's lemon juice cleanse. And the reason that I'm using lemon juice cleanse is because that is the second least trafficked keyword phrase out of all of these category keyword phrases that I'm working with. So I'm choosing lemon juice cleanse, clicking keyword research, and again my phrase length minimum of 3 because that keyword phrase already has 3 words in it. And then I'm generating keywords. We've got 94 lemon juice cleanse related keywords. And this time, if you're still with me, you're with me because you'd like a little bit more information on how this works. So rather than deleting them off screen, I'm actually going to go through and delete those that aren't appropriate on screen here with you so that you can see my reasoning behind them. I'm keeping in mind that I have other categories on this blog. Like I have a whole category just for the master cleanse, and I have a whole category just for juice fast. So something that might say that is about the master cleanse, I'm going to delete, because even though the master cleanse, and I know this from my research, so I hope that you did your niche research too, I know that the master cleanse involves using lemon juice, and that is why they are so related and why I've got keyword phrases from the master cleanse in my lemon juice cleanse search in Market Samurai. But I also know that I have this category for master cleanse that I need to fill up with information about master cleanse. So those things that are about master cleanse, I'm going to delete. So let's go through these, and I will tell you exactly what I'm doing so that you can get an idea of the reasoning that I'm using when I'm deleting these long tail key phrases. So these are all very lemon juice, lemon juice, lemon juice. That's good. They say lemon juice. That's what I like to see, since this is specific to lemon juice category. And these are all good too. They all say lemon juice in them, so I know that they're talking about lemon juice, and they all refer to cleanses. Then down here we've got natural colon cleanse, and yes, lemon juice cleanses could be a natural colon cleanse, but that's not close enough to what I'm getting at for this particular category. I want something, like I said, it's a hierarchy. We're going from big to small, and we're getting in the really small micro niche levels that need to be directly related to their category. So this is the cayenne pepper diet. Cayenne pepper is, I believe, another ingredient in the master cleanse. That's why it's coming up, but that isn't specific to being about lemon juice. Here's lemon juice cleanser. So people are probably looking for a actual cleanser like for their home, so I'm going to delete that. And here's more master cleanse. Lemon cleanse diet. Now this doesn't contain the word lemon juice like we asked for, but it is about lemons and cleansing, so I'm going to keep that. And these are more master cleanse lemonade diet. I do want to keep this because, again, we're being specific to the lemon portion of the cleansing area, and this category is supposed to be all about lemons for detox, lemons for cleansing. Lemonade could be another permutation of that keyword phrase, so I'll keep it. And these are about master cleanse. This says lemonade cleansing diet. That's good because, like we said, lemonade, lemons, we're in the same category. The lemonade diet, I think that that's probably a weight loss diet and very specific to losing weight, which isn't what this site is about, but I'm going to leave it in because I haven't actually looked that up and I'm not positive, so I want to make sure. So I'll leave it in, and I can deal with it later and find out if it is specific to my niche. Now we're back in colon cleansing, detoxification, heavy metal detox. None of these are good. Dual action cleanse. I think that has to do with your dishwasher. Saltwater cleansing. No. We're not seeing anything specific to lemons. There's a lemon one, so we'll leave that in. More colon cleansing. And again, a lemon cleanse may potentially clean your colon, but we want to talk to people who are specifically interested in the lemon area of cleansing and detox. There's a couple more lemon ones. And this is why we do our niche research before we do our long tail research, because you kind of have to have an idea of what people are talking about in your niche to be able to go through your keywords like this. Here's a bunch more on lemon juice, lemon detox cleanse. And again, this is a keyword, lemon detox cleanse. It doesn't use the word juice, but I know that people are looking for exactly that same thing. Lemon juice or lemon detox cleanse, lemon juice cleanse, that's pretty interchangeable, so we leave that in. So we're not only just looking for keyword phrases that say lemon juice something. We're looking for keyword phrases that are specifically related to exactly like or interchangeable, or are interchangeable with lemon juice cleanse, or are looking for more information about a lemon juice cleanse by calling it something different. Like here's one, lemon juice detoxification. Lemon juice in the liver, I'll leave that in. Again, people for that, they're probably looking for information on how to do a liver cleanse that involves lemon juice. So that's close enough to being related to lemon juice cleanse, certainly. Lemon juice enema. I don't think I'm going to be talking about enemas on my site, and that's just a personal preference right there, even though that is another method of cleansing one's body. I'm not really into it. So fruit juice cleanse, yes, lemons are a fruit juice, but I think based on the categories that I have here, that would be more appropriate to go in the juice cleanse category, so I'll leave it out for that. And lemon juice, lemon juice cleansing diet, those are all okay. Cleanse detox diets, liver flush cleanse, weight loss cleanse, no. Stanley Bros cleanse, cleanse your body. Lemon juice liver flush, sir, sure. Robin Quivers cleanse, colon hydrotherapy, benefits of cleanse, 1 day cleanse, and cleanse in 7 day. Those were all deleted again because they've got nothing to do with being specific to the lemon aspect of detox and cleansing. So that is kind of my thought process as I go through these key phrases. And just like we did with the maple syrup cleanse, because I'm working in a niche where some of the words are interchangeable, cleanse, detox, and fast being those words, just like with dog training, dog obedience is pretty interchangeable. I'm going to do a search for the lemon juice cleanse, except I'm going to change it to lemon juice fast and pick up some new keywords that way. And we'll click keyword research, and we want to change our minimum length to 3 and then generate keywords. This time I've got 104 keywords to work with, and I'll go through them and delete them again just like I did before, and I'll give you my reasoning so that you understand the logic of how we find these long tail keyword phrases. So these are all saying lemon juice and fasting in them, so I know that they're what we're talking about. And liver cleansing diet, that's too broad. Cayenne pepper diet, master cleanse, these are all too broad. This is specific to the master cleanse, so we're deleting those. And a lot of these are duplicates, and that's okay. When we enter them back in, when we export them and then copy them back in through the add keywords box over here, Market Samurai will actually delete those duplicates for us. So it's not an issue if you have duplicates. And detoxify your body, heavy metal detox. We saw a lot of these before, and they're just too broad because we want to talk about stuff that's specific to the lemon aspect of cleansing. Cayenne pepper cleanse. Cayenne pepper lemon diet, that's okay because it's talking about lemons. And another thing to keep in mind is that like throughout this process, I've seen a lot that I missed in my original keyword research, or maybe it was eliminated for competition reasons and that's why I didn't see it, about cayenne pepper. So it might behoove me to go back into Market Samurai and check the competition for cayenne pepper and do a little bit of a quick Google search, see what people are talking about in that niche. And if there is a market for people or a certain number of searches that would make cayenne pepper a possible category for my blog, to do a cayenne pepper cleanse or a cayenne pepper diet category. But for the purposes of this video, we will continue eliminating keyword phrases that are not about lemon juice fasting. And these are maple syrup diet, so it's related, but it's not in the lemon area. Lemon master cleanse, that's okay. Cayenne pepper detox, no. How to do the master cleanse, no. Ingredients lemonade diet, that's good. Maple syrup cleanse, maple lemon cayenne, that's okay because it does, they're looking for the ingredients for the master cleanse, but since it does talk about lemons, I'll leave it in here. Lemon detox fast, lemon cleansing fast, cleansing juice fast, no, we would leave that out because that's going to go specific to juice fasting, that category. Lemon cayenne, lemon juice detox, lemon water fast, those are all okay. Lemon juice in the liver, lemon juice, oh there's that lemon juice enema again, let's get rid of that. Lemon juice benefits, that's probably too broad, people are just looking for the benefits of drinking lemon juice, so I'll delete that. Candida juice fast, that's not about lemons. And these are, wow, a bunch more lemon juice stuff. Cleanse juice fast, no, because that doesn't talk about lemons. lemon juice tea. I would assume people are just looking for a drink as opposed to a cleanse, so I deleted that keyword phrase. Lemon juice blood, I don't know what that's about, so I'm deleting it. Lemon juice weight loss juice. No, those, okay. So that's it for lemon juice fast. And then our other permutation was detox. So I'll do a new keyword and do lemon juice detox. Click on update, then keyword research, change our phrase length to 3, and then generate keywords. Okay, for lemon juice detox, we've got 104 keywords returned, and again, I'm going to delete those that aren't specific to lemon juice cleanse, lemon juice fasting, lemon juice detox. So let's go through these, and again, I'll give you sort of my reasoning behind them so that you can understand a little bit more about how the process works. This says detox diet. Okay, that's good. These are all talking about lemon juice and detox, so we're good. And detox, lemon juice detoxification. Of course, that's okay. That's just longer for detox. Liver detox diet, no. Herbal liver detox, liver detox tea. None of those are good because they're not talking about using lemons to produce that detox effect. And these are colon cleansing, natural liver detox, herbal colon cleanse, and those are all much too broad. Lemon cleanse diet, there we go again, back into lemonade, lemons. So those will keep. Cranberry detox juice, nope, not about lemons. Benefits of detox, not about lemons. And here's a bunch of lemon juice diet, lemon juice cleanse, lemon juice fasting. So these are all okay. There's that stubborn little lemon juice enema that keeps coming up, so we'll get rid of that again. And lemon juice, good. Colon cleansing detox, liver cleanse, master cleanse. Those aren't related specifically to the lemon area. And again, more broad. Olive oil detox, not about lemons. Detox colon cleaning, maple syrup detox, 1 day detox, robin quivers detox, saltwater detox. Okay, done. So let's go back into our first tab, and we will export those key phrases onto our desktop. Do the same thing in our second tab, export. And back here in our third tab, we will take those key phrases that we just got from those other tabs and we'll paste them into the add keywords box. Turns out after it's deduped, we've got 130 active key phrases. So we'll go on over to analyze key phrases and we'll analyze them so that we pull in the data into this tab that we're currently working on. And then I'm going to sort by, I want a PBR of at least 1. So we've deleted all of our PBRs that are less than 1. And at this point we have 73 active keywords, and we can export them to our desktop into the CSV file, which we'll then use later on to populate our blog. So that's a second look at how to find long tail key phrases using Market Samurai. You'll need to do it for each of your categories. So I've got 6, so I would do that 4 more times. You've seen 2 so far. And then we'll actually put them into our blog in the next video. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.